Hey, it's Dina Colada here, and today I'm going to show you how to get started building a WordPress website from scratch using Divi themes. Now, I have this site. I've just transitioned my dinacolada.com site over to a new site called lifedatinglove.com. So now I have to build out my brand new website, my old brand new website, dinacolada.com. You're going to get to see me build this website step by step in this tutorial series. Now, it might take me a while to get it done, but I will eventually have the entire website built and you'll get to see the whole process, which is going to be really cool for you. This is an especially good video if you don't know how to use a website and if you're going to be an entrepreneur and you want to build a business online. So you're going to need hosting. You're going to need a .com, a domain already paid for. You're going to need a theme. Divi is my preference, and I'll have a link in the description. You can click below to get it from there. And you're going to have the Divi theme installed into your WordPress backend. I'll put a link in the description below, also showing how to install the Divi theme into your WordPress site. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to the dashboard of your website, and I'll show you my website. Gonna log in. Hopefully that's my password I've got saved. Now this is what the back end looks like on a website of WordPress. Now we're here in the WordPress dashboard. I'm going to show you actually how to access the Divi templates from WordPress. So here we are in the back end of the WordPress dashboard. What we're going to do to use Divi is go over here to the dashboard menu, click Pages, and Add New. And this way you'll have access to see all of the different layouts they have. I'm going to use a landing page as my home page. You can use a blog, your about page, a sales page, a free ebook, and then I'm going to click Use Divi Builder. Now you have three options. You can build from scratch, which is the hard way. Choose a pre-made layout, which is my favorite, the easy way, or you can clone an existing page. So if you're starting a new site, you won't have any existing pages yet. So I'm going to click Browse Layouts. So there are all kinds of layouts here. Restaurants, fashion, farmers markets, photos, copywriter. That's the one I use for my copywriting chick website. Pottery, juice shop, software. So many choices, so many different niches. If your business isn't listed on here, you can probably retrofit one that's in a similar niche to fit your brand. You can also go over here and search categories or specific words. And I'm actually going to click on course because I want to build courses on my site. So here's the course package. It has an about page, a blog, price guide, has a course page. Did I say that already? Landing page, contact. And I want my homepage to be a landing page. I want it to be informative and also get people to sign up for my email list or a freebie that I'm offering. So I'm going to click landing and I'm going to go down here and click the green button that says use this layout. Before I can download pre-made layouts from Divi, I need to authenticate my Elegant Themes subscription. So I have to type in my username here. You can find your API key here. Sweet, they have a link already made for me right there to bring it to my API key. So to have this, you will actually have to have the Elegant Themes account already set up before this to work. So I cut and paste that. I'm going to go in and go ahead and click paste and put my API key in and click submit. So we have about 1 minute remaining and I'm super excited for you to get to use the power of Divi in making a website easy and beautiful. All right, I'm excited. This is going to be the first page of my new rebrand for my website. Now, I think that was pretty simple, right? I can't wait for you to check out some more of my videos, and we're going to go into more details. All right, I hope you have a great day.